how to log into your EA account after forgetting your password. So in here, the very first thing to do is simply open your EA Connect, and then from here simply tap on sign in. So after tapping on sign in, make sure that you do remember all of the credentials of your account. Then you can tap on continue, and after doing that, here, like I said, all you need to do is add in the credentials of your account in order to log in, right? So if in case you have forgotten the password of your account, then the least thing that you need to do is make sure you remember the phone number or the email address of your account. So simply write down the phone number or email address. Then if you tap on next, you will actually get the option of writing down your password. Then from here, you'll be able to see the option of forgot password. Simply tap on that one, and you will actually be getting a link from EA account to your email. Simply open that link and then go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset the password of your EA account. So after resetting the password of your EA account, you can simply come back and then simply get into your login page and write down the new password, and just like that, you'll actually be able to log into your EA account after forgetting your password. So in case if you have used any of those platforms in order to sign up to your account, then you can tap on them and then you can add in their own credentials in order to log in, and that is it.